question is this: can I use Google Meet at the same time as I'm using Gmail? I'm going to show you what you can do in this video. So Google Meet, it can start right here if you have this turned on to show it. I don't have it turned on all my browsers, but Google Meet's right there in Gmail. Well, again, go back to Gmail and go to Google Meet. Now, I can go to Google Meet. I can say start a new meeting and start one now. And it's going to open this up in another tab, okay? So I'm in Google Meet. My video is probably backwards because I'm my camera showing my camera, but I can come down here and hit add, and I can type in a name, and I want to add, let's go add Teddy Burris, and I'm going to hit send. I'm going to send him an email, that would be me, on the iPhone, so I open up Google Meet on my iPhone. So give me 1 second to do that. There's the email I got saying happening now. BCI Testing has invited you to a call. I'm going to hit join the call. I'm going to hit join. I turned off my microphones on through Google Meet so I don't echo back and forth. So you can see I'm in Google Meet, and over here, by the way, is Gmail. So I'm still in Gmail. Furthermore, I'm also in Contacts and Drive and Calendar, and I can be in YouTube. I can be whatever I want to be in while I'm doing a Google Meet. And even better than that, I can go share a screen. Now I have 3 screens on this computer setup, so I'm going to share a screen that doesn't create an echo. I'm going to share the screen here and hit share. So now I'm sharing the screen. This is my Evernote screen that I'm sharing. And both me and the user on the iPhone can see that screen. Again, I can also go back to Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Contacts, etc., all while I'm also in Google Meet. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is all helpful for you.